Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a TikTok account. Keep watching the video until the end to learn how. So let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Here, tap on login button. Click on the sign up link in the bottom section of your screen. Now, if you want to use your Facebook or Google or Twitter account in order to sign up, then click on those options respectively. And if you want to use your phone number or email address, then click on Use Phone or Email option. Here you can either enter your phone number or email address. But I'm gonna use my Facebook account to sign up. So I'll click on Continue with Facebook option. Now tap on Continue button. Here you'll have to enter your date of birth. Tap on the Next button. And that is how you can create a TikTok profile. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.